Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little bit different as I'm going to be taking her from this before picture right over here to this beautiful lengthy hair. So if you want to see how you can grab yourself a friend, save some money, and apply tape-in extensions yourself at home, keep on watching. So you want to start by sectioning behind each ear. You'll do that after. Then you'll start at the nape of the neck from about an inch up from the bottom of the hairline. The reason for that is so when you pull your hair up, it will cover all of the tapes. We already took out and re-taped these hair. She picked out from Sally's Beauty, so you don't have to get super expensive hair. If you guys want to see how the removal process goes and how to re-tape, leave a comment down below. But for now, we're just going to show you how to put them in. You'll start with a small section of hair. You don't want it to be too thick. You want to be able to see kind of through it so that the two wefts can stick together. I'm going to start with the darker piece, and I place it directly underneath and slowly lay that hair over top. And then I'm going in with my lighter piece. And you simply sandwich it on top of that other one. And there's your first piece. There's the first layer done. Now you're going to take this section down. And pull out your next section of hair. I take down about an inch of hair. Make sure it's straight. And we're going to just keep repeating that process, so we'll speed it all up. And we're just going to do that until the head is done, and then we'll be back. Now that we have them in, if you're feeling extra brave, you can give your friend a pair of scissors and a razor, and she can try to layer them for you too. I wouldn't suggest that. I would suggest seeing a hairdresser. But if you're brave, I'm going to start just by cleaning up the very bottoms. So again, I'm going to start by sectioning just behind her ear. And we'll deal with that stuff later. For now, we're going to concentrate on the back here. You can kind of see where her real hair hits. You want to take your razor and slowly go down from that point. Remember to take little bits at a time because this stuff doesn't grow back. You can see where the point comes and it's longer. We're just chipping into that to create the nice long layer.